Hello lovers, this is Chris Reed from Kismet Potions. That's KISMETPOTIONS.com. This is our essential oil monograph series, and today we're going to profile cedarwood. And we've already done the cedarwood in a different video, but these are recipes. I thought I'm going to add some recipes here. So these are all in a 1 ounce or 30 ml. You can use any kind of a base oil, jojoba, heliocarrot, olive oil, canola, grapeseed, or in a lotion, or maybe even in an aloe vera base if you wanted. And you can also do it as a toner. This one is actually very grounding and balancing. For the skincare ones, you can use it as a toner, but if you wanted to just do it in a little distilled water and then shake it before you use it. So I've got to put my glasses on for this one. Anyway, so we're going to start with the base notes, work our way up. So cedarwood is what we're profiling, so that's 5 drops of cedarwood. Vetiver, which is 8 drops. Lavender, 6 drops. And Peru balsam, which is 11 drops. So they should add up to approximately 30 drops. And that is our essential oil monograph for the day. Thanks so much for joining us. Have a pleasant and prosperous day.